Good morning people, how's it going? Here we are in HUE city again, the center of Vietnam. I wanted to start the vlog today talking about breakfast. So I don't know if you've ever visited any Asian country, but they are serious about breakfast, as we consider it is the main meal of the day. So you can start the day with a kick, and they face that in a serious way. Like, you can find for breakfast anything you would find for lunch or dinner, starting with noodles, rice, they eat salad, tomatoes, eggs, and whatever they eat during a proper meal. Then in places like this, you know, in restaurants, you can find anyway stuff for tourists. So you can find the European breakfast as well, like egg and bacon or normal coffee and pastry stuff I eat. Because I'm still not used to having rice in the morning, to be honest. But it gives you a lot of energy for your day, so I totally recommend it. So I just wanted to cover this part of the traditions here, the culture, and we're gonna get a bike, actually a motorbike today, and people are gonna drive us somewhere in the countryside and see a museum as well. So we start now. Alright guys, we're ready for the ride. Going through the countryside, check some temples and stuff.
And when we all say together, it's like, are you ready? We say, yeah! And then we all together say, hee-haw!
Morning dude, how you doing? I've got my driver here, Han.
Full play!
Off to go. First stop of the day, we're going to this market right here. Countryside is beautiful guys. Well, apart from rice fields, there's canals and through this little village is just stunning. It's amazing.
On the way you can see this village, and every single village you can see, and you can count how many families and how many boats. And the U-boat for carrying the rice from the rice paddy to home, and nearby they use the tuk-tuk, and they carrying to the garden. And then most boats are aluminium, and you know that making from American helicopter, or you know, and also like the weapon box or the bomb cell, whatever they use. This local museum, you know that it's all come from the furniture is farming too. It's also, my parents still have those things at home. It's some rural areas still using this stuff. And in case we have no machine, power cut, we all using this one. So how to get the dust away, how to get the best rice, so they put in this set, So the best rice goes straight through the wind, And this one for eating, next crop for sale. Second one, little flat. And for animals. This is the rice, it's something like that. It's a really lot of rice on the top, When the yellow turn to yellow, and you could imagine all the rice paddy we've been around, that all turn to yellow, and time people come back for harvesting. Miss Ho, H-A-U, she's 80 years old. She have a rice and demonstration for you, and how to milk the rice, how to make the rice flour and everything.
Ôi cái già nào cõi mịt trẻ cùng cây ô.
See the color is a bit different after the grinding, You can use a bitter nut tree or coconut tree. This is for the raincoat, and this one very, how long does it last? This one you can use like about 5 years. And then the conical hat. There's a people use for plowing land or working with the rice paddy. And you know that water buffalo. Put on the neck, and then walk in like this way,
So in this place we just checked the rice museum. and now we got 10 minutes to check the market, but I'm not checking the market. I want to fly the drone on this Japanese bridge. It's great. Drone time. All right, let's fly.
I love the one that got away. Despite it all, you couldn't stay. You took my heart and ran the ground. You taught me love could never last. And all my plans are now committed to the past. There's one thing that I've taken from this.
Quick update, guys. I'm so sorry I'm not vlogging enough, but really there's no time to show you everything. I have no time to use my gear properly, so the storyline doesn't really work out, but I do what I can with the time given. Here we go, people. This monastery of monks, vegan monks.
They don't eat onions or garlic.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, weird.
Because apparently it gives them sexual feelings. So that's why.
I should stop then. Eating garlic and onion. So as you see, this car is part of a very famous picture which is shown in the back of the garage as well. And the story behind it is, in 1963, a monk from this monastery put himself on fire. Basically at the time the ruler of the country was a Catholic, and he didn't really allow any other religion, including Buddhism. So this monk, to show the religion has no arm, just put himself on fire. And through meditation he didn't give any sign of hurting, and he just collapsed after 10 minutes basically. Right, here we stopped again. I think now we're gonna see how to make incense, as you can see right here. It smells so good.
To connect your wish, yeah? This stuff, 10% of lemongrass with 90% sawdust. And the way mosquito.
There you go, Richard.
Okay, this is good.
It's so much fun. So much.
Run, run, run. This thing is not moving. That's a drone shot, I don't care. I'm gonna set up the drone right here somewhere. Right, free run into.
We're in the Bunker Hill along the bank of the Perfume River in Hue City, Vietnam.
Best guide ever. Let's go. Always the last one. Let's go. All right, here we go. And helmet time. Thank you. Here we go, guys. We're gonna eat some vegan food. It's an amazing place. Check this out. Right, people, for tips of the day on the go. When you're driving in Vietnam, you keep the right. Second thing, if you do a motorbike tour, bring your sunglasses because you get a lot of dust in your eyes and that helps to protect your eyes. Third thing, keep using your horn whenever you're taking over someone. That's what the locals do to let other people they're overtaking or just they're coming by. Fourth tip, whenever you're in a big cross with a lot of traffic, it's really crazy. So people just put their hand in front to let other people know to stop. But everyone is doing that, so I don't know who is stopping. Here we are, guys, train station. We got a 13 hours night ride, don't we?
We don't have snacks.
Yeah, we actually had to buy a pizza before getting on the train. And it's only 3:30 in the afternoon or so. After you, bro.
How do you even read that?
Decided.
Look at this girl. Alright, quick tip of the day again. If you have a long ride on the train, make sure you get some snacks and proper food as well, proper dinner, because on the train there's not much, and our guide said it's not great food either, so grab as much as you can before getting on the train. As we were waiting, I just got this shot of this little kid. She's so cute, like so cute.
You're in the next one. I'll get your pizza.
It's gonna be a good ride, guys.
Oh my god!
Here we are in this tiny room, guys. 4 beds. Couple of plugs for electricity. Job done. I like it. We'll see if I say the same thing tomorrow morning, though. Well, it's nice. You get a blanket, pillow, bed cover, some space there. And you get a bottle of water as well. Sweet. How's the family doing here?
We're all good.
Yeah,
We're fine, yeah.
Yes.
We're just fitting in.
It's pretty cool.
I'm waiting to lie long in the bed and not fit. So knees up by my teeth.
Really? You got some space up there. You can sleep up here. That's gonna be a fun ride. So you got a couple of taps here. Another trip for train rides. You're probably wondering where the ladder is. There's no ladder, that's the point. There's a nice little step there. That's for your foot. And these handles up here for your hands. So you can just do that. And there. Bed. Good sleep. We're stopping by here somewhere. So cool. If you don't have food, you can stop in one of these stations and grab some food straight away. Wow, this is fun. It's a fun ride. The game is on, guys. The game is on.
Yeah, I forgot the name of the game.
Yay! Right, people, it's night time here on the train. It's like 10 o'clock in the evening, time to go to bed. The guys are having a Monopoly championship here.
Oh, maybe you don't have an
Say goodnight to YouTubers. See you tomorrow for another adventure. Vietnam.